How to use subscription categories. Subscription categories allow companies to manage campaigns and send them to particular contact segments. You can create unlimited subscription categories. For example, newsletters, product categories, promo and sales, and subscriptions to products of a particular brand. Contacts will be included in categories based on their preferences and will receive only campaigns they are interested in. Note: subscription categories aren't a default feature. You need to create them manually. To create a category, go to your profile, Settings, Subscription Categories, and click New Category. Enter the title. The key is created automatically based on the title. Keys are used for API integrations. Click Done. The system will create the category and automatically create a segment with the same name that will appear in the general list of segments. You can create unlimited categories. Each segment assigned to the category will have the corresponding purple label. Important: a segment assigned to the subscription category cannot be deleted or renamed in the general list. To delete the segment, delete the corresponding subscription category in Settings, Subscription Categories. Contacts included in the deleted segment will remain in the system. You can add subscribers to the category in the following ways: import new contacts, export existing contacts, or set up contact transfer from the subscription form or CRM via API. A contact can be added to the category only one time. Same contacts added to one category via different methods are not duplicated. To import, choose the necessary subscription category and click Import Contacts. You'll be directed to New Import. Upload the file with contacts and map contact fields. The assigned segment will be specified automatically. Confirm the terms and click Start Import. Once the import is successfully completed, contacts will appear in the category. You can export to the category existing single contacts or list segments. To export a list segment, go to Contacts, Segments. Choose the list segment you want to export, click Settings on the right, and select To the existing lists. Select the segment you want to add contacts to, and click Done. To export a single contact, go to Contacts, Segments, and click the necessary segment in the general list. Click Add Contact and select Add from Existing. Select Contacts for export and click Add. Use one of the API methods to transfer new contacts from the subscription form or CRM to the specified segment. You can manage contacts in the segment assigned to the subscription category as follows: Edit. Select the necessary contact, click Edit Contact on the right, and make the editing. Delete. To delete all contacts from the segment, click Empty Segment. To delete a single contact, click Delete from Segment on the right of the necessary contact, or go to Contacts, All Contacts, select the necessary contact, click Edit Contact. Click Edit Contact Subscription and delete the checkbox for the category you want to exclude the contact from. Contacts that are excluded from the category remain in the account and will be available for other campaigns. The category itself is not deleted. You can set up an unsubscription from all campaigns or from a certain category. A contact can unsubscribe in the personal account on the site, in the email, or on the unsubscribe page. You can use subscription categories to control the frequency of campaigns depending on their subscribers' interests. Subscription categories apply for all communication channels: email, SMS web push, mob push. Subscription categories are specified when the message is created. In Messages, Messages, create a message or choose the existing one. Open its general settings. Click Select Categories and select categories applicable to the message. You can select several categories. Save the message and 1. Create a campaign from the general list, or 2. Create a campaign from the template. In the general list, click Create Campaign, choose Segments, and click Go to Campaign. The categories these segments are assigned to will be listed in campaign details. Schedule the campaign, and the system will automatically calculate the contacts following the rules. If the message is assigned with categories, but the contact isn't subscribed to them, it won't be sent to this contact. If the message isn't assigned with any category, it will be sent to all contacts from selected segments. The message is sent only to contacts from the selected segments who have subscribed to the corresponding subscription category. A campaign report will show the number of contacts who didn't receive the campaign because they weren't subscribed to selected categories.